Hello beautiful people, how is your journey to relocate abroad coming along? I hope it's going great. I hope you've been learning a lot from the videos I've been making, and I'm making yet another video to make your journey smoother, faster, easier. And in this video, it's all about recruitment agencies in the UK that could help you land a job. Recruitment agencies are really good. They help talents find jobs and help companies also find talent. So they're like the middleman in between the talent and the employer, and they get paid when they are able to match a talent with an employer. So the employer pays them and not the talent. So while using these recruitment agencies, it is completely free. You don't have to pay any money for them to place you with a job. It is completely free, and I highly recommend them because these recruitment agencies are usually the first people to know about job openings. So it will just be easier and faster to land a sponsorship job in the UK. So I know the process of finding a job is like the hardest, is like the most tasking in your whole journey, and you need to like go around. You go to LinkedIn, you go to Indeed, you go to Glassdoor, you go to you just go around looking for jobs, searching for those that have sponsorship. You can find a job opening and it's so good, you qualify, it's the kind of job you want to do, and then you get to the end of the ad and you see we are not offering sponsorship for this role. That could be heartbreaking. So now going through agencies, right? These agencies already know that you're overseas, so they will match you with only jobs that are willing to hire talents from overseas. I just find it real easy. I know people that get like multiple job offers from recruitment agencies, and then they now have to choose the best that they want to go for. So I highly recommend recruitment agencies. So if you want to know them, I'm showing you 10 top ones in the UK in this video. So if you want to know them, do watch this video to the end. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and this is Jackie Travels, and on this channel I share information that will help you relocate abroad to study, to work, and to live. My mission on this channel is to help you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So if this sounds like something you want to be seeing on YouTube, then do subscribe to my channel and maybe consider turning on the post notification bell so you will know every time I share a new video. Right now on my channel I have so many videos you can watch, how to relocate to so many countries like the UK, Netherlands, Ireland, Japan, Australia, so many countries. So you may want to watch my old videos so you can know your options. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all the support. You guys are amazing. Thank you. And if you've been watching my videos for a while and you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. You obviously like my content because you've come back more than once. So I would really love to have you as a subscriber. It will mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel. So please hit the subscribe button and join the family. All right, so before I show you these recruitment agencies, I want to tell you about something that is very, very important in your journey to finding a job, and that is your CV and your cover letter. Ensure you have a very good CV and a very good cover letter. These recruiters are not meeting you physically, like they are not speaking with you. They don't have a chance to see you, talk to you, and know what you're about. All they have is your CV. So they are going to be working with your CV, and your CV is basically what is going to let them know if you're worth taking the chance on or not. So make your CV to be a very good representation of who you are. Let your CV outline your skills, your qualification, the value you're going to bring to the company. Every good thing about you, put them on your CV. Let these people know that you are worth it. Let them see your value from your CV. Make your CV stand out. Let your CV not stop you from getting a job. You could be so amazing. You could be a top-notch talent. You could be just the person they are looking for. But if your CV does not sell you, they're not gonna have the chance to listen to you, to know what you're about. You get what I mean, right? If your CV does not sell you well enough, you won't have the opportunity opportunity to speak to them, you know, to tell them who you are and what you're about and the value you have, right? So you need to like cross that first stage to get to the interview where they can talk to you, and you can only do that through your CV. So I'm begging, like I'm seriously pleading, because I really want you guys to move abroad. I really want you guys to get the job that you're looking for. So please work on your CV and your cover letter. I do have videos you can use, you know, to write your CV and your cover letter. Like if you're a beginner, you don't really know much about writing your CV or your cover letter. Even if you're experienced, you know, you may not really know how it is written for the UK or how to write it for an international employer. You know, you may just know how to write it for your home country, and trust me, it is a difference. It is very different. The CV you're going to be using in your country is different from the CV you're going to be using to get international jobs, especially in the UK. And I have a video for that. I'll be linking it up here, both the cover letter and the CV, and the link will be in the description box as well, so you may want to go check it out. I have samples, I have templates. You can copy it, write yours, you know, and just do it well. And you may also want to explore getting a professional to write your CV for you. I mean, it's a very good investment. So if you're applying to the UK, get a professional CV writer in the UK to write your CV for you, because a professional CV writer in the UK knows how the CV should be, you know, to land jobs in the UK. So any country you want to apply to, get a professional CV writer in that country to write your CV in the way it will get you jobs in the country. Trust me, this goes a long way. All right, I've been talking a lot, so let's just get into the recruitment agencies, right? So the first one I have here is Hayes Recruitment. Hayes Recruitment is like one of the biggest recruitment agencies in the world. They have presence in so many countries. They're really big and really reliable and efficient in getting you jobs from overseas. So you may want to check them out. Go to the website and join Hayes, and then upload your CV, you know, fill out your profile completely. And they do have jobs for every occupation. Basically, they have for accountancy and finance, banking and financial markets, call centers, construction and property, life sciences, marketing, office administration, personal and executive assistant, policy and strategy, procurement and supply chain, retail, sales, social care, student placement, tax and treasury, technology, telecoms, insurance, legal, human resources, healthcare, graduate careers, financial services, engineering and manufacturing, education, construction. You know, they have like jobs in so many industries. So like I said, right, they are in the best position to find jobs that offer visa sponsorship in the UK. You know, in the UK, you kind of need a job that has visa sponsorship for you to apply for the skilled worker visa. So that's Hayes Recruitment, everybody. Go check it out. And the second one I'm bringing to you is Skills Provision International. The Skills Provision is a job network that offers a wide range of international job opportunities. They are situated in the United Kingdom. They are really, really good in international jobs. Like they specialize in hiring foreign talents for employers in the UK. So go to their website and sign up as a job seeker and let them take it from there. And the next one I'm bringing to you is Adecco. Adecco is another top recruitment agency in the UK, and they specialize in so many occupations: agriculture, hospitality, marketing, financial services, human resources, sales, retail, engineering, customer service, building and construction, and so much more. I mean, they are really good. So you may want to check out their website, sign up, and you upload your CV, set up your profile, and just be ready to meet an employer. So that is Adecco, everybody, adecco.co.uk. Go check it out and look for jobs, and I hope you do land your dream job. And the next one I have here is Michael Page. Michael Page is another good recruitment agency. They specialize in hiring foreign talent. So when you go to the website, you're going to see some job ads right there. You can run a search on the website and see jobs that are available at the moment. So just go sign up, submit your CV, you know, and let them take it up from there. And the next one I want to bring to you here is the Flame Lily. This is another amazing recruitment agency. They are really good. So go to their website and register and upload your CV. They specialize in healthcare jobs. So if you're in the healthcare occupation, you can go find jobs here. They have jobs for nurses, healthcare assistants, and other roles in healthcare. They are really good, and since they specialize in this, so your chances of getting a job with them is really high. They specialize in healthcare recruiting for both private companies and the NHS, so you can count on them. The next one here is Pearls International. They're also in the healthcare sector. Pearl Recruiting is an established independent medical nursing and care recruitment service that sources and places physicians, nurses, and allied health professionals in the United Kingdom. So you can go check them out. They have jobs for healthcare assistants, senior care assistants, support workers, managers and deputy managers, live-in carers, domiciliary carers, domestic staff for care homes. Like any role in healthcare, they are really good in that, and they will match you with an employer. And the next one here is MCK Global Recruitment, is another amazing one. So you may want to go to their website and register, upload your CV. And the next agency here is Air Swift. So for Air Swift, infrastructure and technology are among their areas of expertise. And the next one here is Impelum Group. This is another amazing one. You may want to go check them out and sign up on their website. And the next is Reed Specialist Recruitment. This one is really good. So yeah, those are the 10 recruitment agencies that I'm bringing to you in this video. So just go through them and expand your search for a job in the UK. You don't need to do it alone. Let these agencies match you with a job. They are really, really good. If you found this video useful, let me know in the comments, and also give the video a like and share it with others so they can take advantage of these amazing opportunities. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.